Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your Friday girl here. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your detox drink at home. This will help you clean your body system, help you lose much weight and also lose belly fat. This is medicinal and is very good for your health. So if you want to know how I make my detox drink, just stay tuned on this channel and watch this video to the end. Alright guys, this is what I'm going to be using for this recipe. I have my chilled water here and I have some cucumber, some lemon and some chopped ginger. This is pineapple and this is mint leaf. They have already been washed, as you can see. You can use any fruit of your choice. You can use oranges, you can use strawberries, you can use any fruit of your choice. And this is my cup. You can use a bigger cup or a bigger bowl. You can make as large quantity as you want. You can make as much as you want and store the remaining part of it on the fridge. But I'm just going to make the one I'll drink this morning. Like you guys already know, I like making my remedies fresh, so the next day I will make another fresh one. So I'll be adding some water into the cup. This water is very chill. I'll be adding some water into the cup. Now I'll be adding some ginger. Let me take off the spoon first. Then the cucumber, the lemon. I think this water is a little bit much. The pineapple. I'm just going to cut it into two because it's too large. Then I'll be adding the mint leaf. Just like this, then stir it together like this. So our detox drink is ready. I'm just going to leave it for some minutes, then drink it. This will help you clean your body system and it's very good for the health. Alright, see you guys in my next video. Till I come your way next time, I remain your baby girl for the charity. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit that red subscribe button and click the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.